This is white tiger. It looks so beautiful. Look, he has got white and black stripes on his body.
Come this side, Ayan.
Welcome to my channel, Cutie Ayan.
Welcome, dear subscribers, to Al Areen Wildlife Zoo and Park. Here I'll show you different countries' various wild animals, birds, and reptiles, along with their names and facts. Dear subscribers, let's check out this educational video. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, so please help me by subscribing this channel.
Come on, let's go in.
So let's see ostrich from Southern Africa and emu from Australia. This is ostrich from Southern Africa, and the other bird which is near ostrich, it's emu from Australia. How ostrich is eating, so cute.
Ostrich is the world's largest bird.
Yes, and emu is the second largest bird by height and also national bird of Australia. Let's see porcupine. It's from India. Other name is quills. These are porcupine. They look so cute, but their spikes are very poisonous. They erect their sharp spine if any predators approach them too closely. Porcupines are considered to be an intelligent, rapid learner with good memories. They are not fast runner. They are slow animals. In Hindi language, we call porcupines as sahi. Now let's see birds, flamingo and goose. Goose birds are longer than ducks. They have a long body and long legs.
These are water birds.
Flamingos' nests are made from mud and they look so beautiful. Their beak and legs are pink in color. They get their pink color from their food, and the color varies depending on what it eats. In Hindi language, we call flamingo bird as Rajhans Pakshi. There are 6 flamingo species. Flamingos are filter feeders and turn their heads upside down to eat.
How cute. कितनी flexible है wow, so comfortable. Vanish anywhere, ना?
There are 6 species in flamingo. The greater flamingo is the largest living species of flamingos. Look how they're using their legs for swimming. How they're swimming. Wow. They are able to run on water thanks to their webbed feet to gain speed before they're lifting up into the sky. There are so many goose out here. The giant Canada goose is the largest goose in the world. Goose in Hindi is called Hans. Let's see tortoise from Africa. The tortoises are reptile species.
Very hard.
Dome shell.
Yes. No, don't disturb the animals. They're sleeping.
And spend most of the time on land. Let's see Arabian oryx.
This is Bahrain national animal.
Right, Ayan. This is Bahrain national animal. Oryx has held symbolic value for the people of the Middle East for centuries. It is thought that mythical unicorn creature was developed from the animal's characteristic. There are 4 species of oryx living in Africa and the Middle East. They are mammals and the average lifespan of an oryx is approx 18 years in the wild. Let's see camel now. These are mammals. They are specially adapted to the life in desert. Their eyes have three eyelids and two rows of eyelashes, that prevent sand to enter their eyes. In extreme heat, camels can survive up to 15 days without water and can last for several months without food. Let's see wildebeest. Due to resemblance to wild cattle, some people also call them wild ox or wildebeest. They belong to class mammals and are herbivorous animals. Blue wildebeest are common in eastern and southern Africa, from Kenya to eastern Namibia.
Let's see donkey.
Donkeys are found all over the world.
Gadha.
Another name in English is wild ass. They are herbivorous animals. Donkeys comes in various types of shapes, sizes, colors and texture. They are working animals. They are domesticated and work for humans. Let's see zebra now. Antelope is also giving company to zebra. Zebra is mammal. Zebra constantly move for grass and water. So zebra is herbivorous. There are many zebras you see, but they are very far. Let's see leopard and cheetah. The most common difference between cheetah and leopard is the patterns on their coat. Cheetahs are the fastest animals in the world. Leopards are only half as fast as cheetah. I think the leopard just went inside the cave. Look, that cave there. Cheetahs have unretractable claws, special paw pads for extra traction, and a long tail for balance, Both are carnivorous animals.
What is this, Ayan?
Cheetah.
Oh, yes. Wild animal.
This is coyote. Coyote is a species of canine. It is carnivorous animal. It is smaller than its close relative the wolf and slightly smaller than the closely related eastern wolf and red wolf. Coyote is a mammal. Coyote is seen in America and Canada. They are relative of wolves. Let's see chimpanzee in Al Ain Wildlife Park. They are baby chimpanzee. You see difference between chimpanzee and monkey? Monkey have long tail and chimpanzee don't. Chimps are omnivorous animals. This is lion, the king of jungle from Al Ain Park. This lion looks little old. Lions spend between 16 to 20 hours each day resting and sleeping. They mostly rest during the day and become more active at night when it is cooler. Male lions, they look much larger than the females. This is tiger, white tiger.
This is white tiger. It's the white tiger. It can Jesus.
White tigers are not a separate subspecies of tiger. There is only one tiger species. So the color of the white tiger's fur is a result of genetic mutation. This is also known as Bengal tiger. Bengal is in India. And tiger is a carnivorous animal. Today, the white tigers They do not exist in the wild. They only exist in zoos and sanctuaries.
Bug!
Animal hyena. Striped hyena is a species of hyena native to Africa, Middle East, Central Asia and Indian subcontinent. Striped hyenas are mammals and are omnivorous animals.
Lakkad bagha.
Let's see Saluki dog.
Very confusing and dangerous.
Yes,
This is not dangerous.
it looks wild. Look at the tail.
Saluki is one of the oldest known breeds of dog. Saluki dogs, they hunt primarily by sight rather than scent. That was once used by nomadic tribes to run down the game animals, and it's been purebred both in Middle East, including by royalty, since at least that era, and in the West. Now let's see African goat. Pygmy goats can give 1 or 2 quarts of milk per day, and the milk is very nutritious and tasty.
This is python.
Burmese python is a dark colored and non-venomous snake. Python is carnivorous reptile. Here I'll show you some more birds. Let's see grey-crowned crane. Grey-crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda and has 2 subspecies, Eastern African grey-crowned crane and Southern African grey-crowned crane. They are omnivorous birds and their size is 3 feet tall. Blue and yellow macaw bird. They are also known as blue and gold macaw and are found in tropical South America. They are enormous parrots with a long tail and always prefer to be in groups. This is guinea fowl bird, also known as vulturine guinea fowl. This species can be found in Ethiopia, Kenya, Somalia and Tanzania. Let's see the great owl bird. How staring at me. Its eyes look forward in a fixed position and cannot move from side to side. They are nocturnal birds with excellent eyesight and sense of hearing. Gerfalcon bird. Gerfalcon are one of the fastest birds in level of flying and are found mostly in United States. You see, there are many more birds here. In future, we will make a new video showing different birds from various other countries. So you can subscribe to my channel for more such videos in future. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on the earth. They are mostly found in Africa. Giraffe's neck can't reach to the ground and they only need to drink once every few days. These are grizzly bear, also known as the North American brown bear. Their height is 5 to 8 feet long. This wildlife park and reserve is for more than 30 years now and has kids play area and 82 bird species, 45 mammal species and 25 plant species to be exact. Many rare species are preserved here. Now sunset time is here and visit hours are over. You see, tortoises are sleeping here. So now we have to leave this beautiful place. But we will come back and I will definitely make a new video and show you the remaining species of animals and birds. Also the view of this Al Areen Wildlife Park and Reserve. Please share this video and subscribe for more future videos. Thank you so much.
Bye.